Hello fans of what changes everyday life and what you can plug into the power, probably. Ion Review is your partner to explore the latest trends that you can invite to your home. Axnen HQ6, fill light which can be adjusted. 3 colors and flash mode. 3-axis foldable design, support APP gimbal show. With zoom slider which works after connect with APP. Support face tracking and object tracking. Many different modes like gesture control, tracking follow, low angle follow, shot, zoom, time-lapse photography, etc. This gimbal can be used with many models of mobile phones, such as iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, and many other brands. The size requirements should met. Width between 55 to 90 millimeters, weight less than 280 grams, thickness less than 11 millimeters. Xiaomi Mi Portable Photo Printer, printing resolution 313 on 400 dots per inch, printing speed around 45 seconds per sheet, supported JPEG and PNG formats, compatible with Android 4.1 or iOS 9.0 and above, connects to the My Home Check Your Xiaomi Home app, multiple wireless connection via Bluetooth 5.0, up to 3 people. Battery with capacity 500 mAh allows to print around 20 sheets of photo paper, micro USB port type. Printer net weight approximately 181 kg. Nocchi Mini V30, mini drone with 4K HD camera. 5-sided obstacle avoidance drone. Dual camera switching. With altitude hold mode, function provides stable flight. Wi-Fi function to connect APP. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. One key to return function makes it easily to find the way home. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the APP, 4-channel, which can do ascend, descend, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly, and rolling 360 degrees. It have 3-level flight speed to switch that can make more fun with the flying. SJCAM C300, 4K FHD pocket action camera. Total battery of 3,800 mAh. The camera's dual touch color screens on the front and back unlock a superb range of shooting positions. The 154-degree wide-angle lens with an aspherical lens. The built-in 6-axis gyro stabilizer feeds the shake effect to the image processor, allowing the camera to capture clear and stable images. Equipped with a special waterproof case, it can achieve an IP68 level of diving waterproof grade. Pre-recording feature allows you to record up to 60 seconds of video before recording. Andoer W140 RGB LED video light with 140 pieces high-quality LED beads, features 8 watts power output and 95 plus color rendering index, 360 degrees adjustable and 0 to 100% adjustable brightness. 2500K to 9000K wide color temperature regulation. Supports 20 special lighting effects, including ambulance, fire alarm, fireworks, TV, candle, party, RGB strobe, etc. Built-in 3100 mAh large capacity lithium battery, which can be recharged by USB Type-C. With 1 cold shoe mount for installing microphone or other devices, 1/4 inch bottom and side threads, plus the provided cold shoe adapter. Nagnahz U800, photo and video LED studio light with bicolor temperature from 3200K to 5500K with tripod stand remote. Power of 5160 lumens allows you to create great videos or make magnificent photos. Sold with remote, which makes a great choice to start with your own studio. KnightX Prism lens filter. Size is 75 millimeters. There are no fixed rules about how to use it, so you can create as much as you like and make your own style. There is 1/4 thread and can be used with a tripod and handle. Ulanzi F12 mini. Camera flash, speed light for Sony, Canon, Nikon, etc. Standard hot shoe mount, weighing only 108 grams. Standard hot shoe mount. Compatible with mainstream camera brands. High-speed flash to make your picture shine even in dim environment. 1 to 7 seconds recycling time. It comes with a display and multifunctional buttons for easy operation. In auto mode, the speed light adjusts its output through a sensor itself. With a built-in 1200 mAh battery, it also supports USB-C charging. NEEWER 2.4 G-TTL Roundhead Flash Speed Light. Flash coverage from 28 to 105 mm auto zoom and manual zoom. 5600 kHz of color temperature. Flash duration from 1/180th second to 1/20,000th second. Wireless flash functions as master or slave. 32 channels. Autofocus assist supported. Flash exposure, bracketing every 3 steps in 1/3 step increments. Studio art photo background. You can create your own photography studio in your home using Canvas. There are different sizes and materials to choose from, so you can tailor the background to your needs. Photography backpack. Few different colors, made from polyester. Backband fit for trolley case. Package included camera bag, rain cover, and detachable bag. Phone Selfie Light, designed with 120 high-quality LEDs that delivers consistent and flicker-free lighting. 3 lighting modes and 10 brightness levels to cater to a variety of uses, such as makeup lighting, selfies, video recording, etc. Built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. The maximum brightness output can reach 2 hours. Light is equipped with the 1/4-inch screw that can be attached to a camera, tripod, microphone mount, light stand, or other support using a universal cold shoe adapter on the bottom. Compatible with all smartphones, tablets, and laptops. LED photo video lamp. Real deal for professional photography. Brightness adjustment range from 1 to 100% ensures optimal lighting for any photography scenario. White light version for natural, daylight balanced illumination in your studio. With a CRI rating of RA more than 95, this lighting solution ensures that the colors in your images are accurately represented. The light's robust construction and compatibility with a wide operating voltage make it a versatile addition to any studio setup. iPad selfie machine. Suitable for 10.2, 11, or 12.9-inch iPad. A simple and effective way to bring a photo booth to any event or occasion. Fast and easy to set up. RGB mode, 3 color temperature modes, rich color, mixing modes. Remote control can realize the remote operation of the ring light. Made of sheet metal material, which is durable, lightweight, and portable. You can customize your own logo on it, best for wedding. Universal Ballhead, aluminum universal rotating ball head with 360-degree panoramic adjustment feature. The bottom of the ball head can rotate a full 360 degrees, allowing you to quickly adjust the horizontal scale. Double U-shaped notch design, this ball head enables both vertical and horizontal shooting. Designed with a standard archetype position on the top and 3/8 inch to 1/4 inch adapter at the bottom. The weight is only 187 grams, max load 5 kilograms, extremely useful for photograph and videograph. Selfie ring light, 120 PCS LED design, lightweight and portable. Built-in bubble level. Compatible with all kinds of digital cameras, camcorder, or smartphones. 360 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical swivel to meet different needs, with grip for adjusting head position.
Thanks for watching Ion Review. Support the channel, subscribe, and thumbs up to help us create better and better content for you.